Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin, and this is Man Kitchen Recipes, but I'm taking a break from my channel, What We Thought. If you haven't come over to my channel at What We Thought yet, I'm doing a conversion from a bedroom. I'm converting this into a bathroom to make a new master suite at my house, but the light is going down. The sun is going down. The sun is going down, and I got to get this portion of my video done because what I'm going to do is something kind of crazy, and I got to test it to see if it works. I was watching Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, and I don't remember what restaurant he was at, but they took St. Louis ribs, 2 St. Louis ribs, stacked them together, meat side to meat side, and smoked them for 12 hours. 12 hours. I'm like, is that for real? So anyway, I'm going to try it. I'm going to use my barrel smoker. My barrel smoker has a blower on it, which makes it'll run forever at like 225. I'm going to run it for 12 hours, but I'm going to start it I'm going to get it started around 3:30 in the morning and hopefully get these on by about 4. So the 12 hours will be done by 4 tomorrow afternoon. So I needed to get this part done because I don't want to go out there at 3:30 in the morning with bed hair, even though I have construction hair. I don't want to go out there with bed hair and try to film in the dark. So that's what I'm going to be doing at 3:30. I'm going to get up, I'm going to light my charcoal. I'll go back out there at 4, make sure it's running at 225, and throw my ribs on. Rib to rib, meat side to meat side. I will season them. I think I'm just going to use salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and paprika and to season these. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. In the meantime, if you haven't, what we thought, it's Elizabeth and I. It's mostly me. We do DIY. We do product reviews. We do our gardening in the backyard. We do all kinds of stuff. Anyway, so if you're interested in stuff that's not cooking, come check it out. I'll leave a link below. All right, so these are the spare ribs I'm going to be smoking for 12 hours. I'm going to put some salt, pepper, garlic, onion, and paprika on these. I'm going to set them in the fridge for 5 hours. All right, so just to recap before 4 o'clock in the morning comes, 3 o'clock, I'm going to put these meat to meat, just like this, in the in my barrel smoker, and we're gonna smoke these for 12 hours, and I'm going to do it at 225. They didn't say how the temp that they smoked them at, but I'm going to guess 225 because they smoked other meats too. A little leery about this, but it's just a couple of spare ribs. If they don't turn out well, then we learned, right? Maybe they'll surprise me. All right, well, I will see you. I don't know. I may do a little quick check. Well, I don't even want to look at them, but I'll go check the temp on my barrel tomorrow morning sometime and see how it's rolling. All right, so we'll see you in a while. All right, these 12-hour ribs have been in here for 5 hours. I wanted to check my Pitmaster IQ, and it is rolling right at 225, just like I have it set. Having a blower attachment on your barrel is awesome. It's kind of like having a pellet grill. Anyway, we're getting ready to go to church, and I just wanted to make sure everything was still cool. 5 hours, no wrap normally would be done about now. I gotta tell you, 12 hours, I'm not looking at them. I'm gonna look at them for the first time when I open it, and you guys get to see it when I get to see it. It's either gonna be a success or an epic fail. So next time you see me, it's gonna be 4 o'clock. Guess what time it finally is? That's right. That little barrel smoker's been going for 12 hours at 225. I'll show you the Pitmaster IQ. It's still running smooth, 225. A blower on a barrel turns your barrel basically into like a pellet grill. Set it and forget it kind of a cook. I have not looked at these ribs, so let's take a look and see how they did. 12 hours. Skin, meat to meat, bones up, bones down. There's Here's my Pitmaster IQ. The green light means that's where you want to be. If it's red, it's too hot. If it's flashing, it's too cold. Right at 225 for 12 hours. Let's take a look. We're right at 12 hours. Ha! Well, they're not all burned. That's a bonus. How are we doing here? They actually look pretty decent. Huh. Well, how about that? Okay. For the fun of it, let's take the, see what the temp is on these. Let's see. Huh. 173. Who would have thought? Boy, they are tender, that's for sure. All right, there we go. 178 on this bottom one. They are, it's like butter though. 12 hours. Okay, well, I'm gonna sauce them up. And I'm just gonna use some Sweet Baby Ray's. I'm just gonna sauce up this one that was on top. And I'll probably let the other one cool. And since it's just Elizabeth and I'll let it cool and we'll eat it another night. The restaurant that does these and then to order, they throw them on the grill. All right. I know I said 12 hours, but I'm going to let these go about 15 more minutes, the one with the sauce. And let's just give it a look. Sauce the bottom. They are tender as butter, that's for sure. Okay, I'm going to take this one off. This one has been bone side down. You'll see the bone side. Doesn't look bad at all. It's not burnt. So I'm going to take these off. And I'll leave the other one in so that we can kind of set that sauce. All right, I'm going to give it about 15 minutes. The time has finally come. It's been 12 hours, a little over because I sauced the one up. Let's see if I can get some sunshine on these. They look amazing. Look at that. The time has finally come. 12 hours, a little more because I sauced this one and let it go for an extra 15. But honestly, I had no idea they were going to turn out looking so good. They smell amazing. Look at those ribs. 12 hours meat to meat. I didn't think it was possible. Should you do it? That's up to you. Let me cut into it and see what they look like and do a taste test, and then you can decide. Right, there we are. I'm still blown away that these were in the smoker for 12 hours. Let's see, which way is the bones? Which way is the bones running? Let me cut one of these off of here. I would have thought there would have been a huge smoke ring. Doesn't look to be that. At least not on that one. I'll tell you what. I guess they just smell so good. All right, I'm going to take one of these outside. Let's see how they taste. They look amazing. A 12-hour rib. You know, normally a no-wrap ribs will only take 6 hours. And did it in the barrel smoker right over there. I put these on at 4 o'clock this morning. It's now after 4 in the afternoon because I went an extra 15 minutes after saucing it. Let's give it a taste. Right to the bone, smells amazing. Tastes pretty amazing too. Well, like I said, I honestly did not think this was gonna work. 12 hours in the smoker. They're not overdone, they're not dry, they're still juicy, they're still tender. All right. There you go. Should you try it? Yeah, if you want to try something different. If you want to spend 12 hours, I mean, if you put it in a pellet grill, you know, you don't have to really keep after it unless you got to watch your pellets, but your pellet grill should last 12 hours easy. Anyway, thanks for checking this out. 12-hour ribs. It actually does work. Hope you have a great day.